Deep in the frozen north, I came to build something lasting. Just me, the axe and endless spines. Each log feels heavier than the last. The cold already seeps through gloves. Walls rising slowly, the forest watches in silence. No roads, no neighbors, only the wind beginning to complain. Door fitted, my first real barrier against what's coming. Inside smells of fresh pine and lime. Feels like safety, feels temporary. Fire started, small victory against the deepening freeze. Flames dance, shadows move on the logs like company I didn't invite. Sitting close to heat, already wondering how long the wood will last. Wind rises, snow no longer falls, it attacks. Cabin groans, every gust tests the nails I drove myself. Stove hungry again, feed it, keep breathing. Blanket wrapped tight, still feel the cold crawling under skin. Lights out. Darkness presses in harder than the storm. Embers barely alive, hands numb even near the fire. Matches fail one after another. Panic tastes like nothing. Pacing keeps blood moving. Mind races faster than feet. Water boils. Simple act feels like defiance. Leaning on the wall. Exhaustion heavier than any log. Shadows shift outside the window. Something is watching. Door shakes. I back away. No plan, only instinct. Cornered, breathing loud in my own ears, waiting for the break. Yellow eyes meet mine. Not hunger, desperation, plea. I kneel. She doesn't lunge, trust hanged by a thread. Blanket for the little one, 5 feet high, warmth for 3. Bandage tied, she watches every knot, no growl. Broth offered, she takes it from my hand. First bridge crossed. She calls round her cup, head rests near my knee. Dawn creeps in, storm quiets, they rise slowly. Door opens. They step into light snow. One last look back. A circle of stones. One giant paw print at center. I knew. The snow is still. No tracks. No wind dot, only this photograph.